Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. We are having a question 29 WASSCE September 2024 edition. A cylindrical container closed at both ends has a radius of 3 centimeters and a height of 4 centimeters. What will be the total surface area of the container? So let's make a sketch of what that container will look like. So this is the container. We know the height is from the top to the down. That will be 4 centimeters. Then the radius is just from the center to the circumference, and that is given to us as 3 centimeters. Now, to find the total surface area, we can break this into two-dimensional shapes. If you remove the top, you'll be having a circle. If you remove the cylindrical hole, you'll be having a cylinder. Then when we take away the down, that also gives us what? A circle. Don't forget, these two circles will have the same radius or the same diameter. So now this is the radius. Now what we are having here, this is what was carving the circle. So that was the circumference of this circle. And circumference of a circle is what? 2 pi what? R. This is the height. So we have. This will give you area of a circle, that is pi r squared. Area of a circle, pi r squared. Area of a rectangle, length times breadth. So 2 pi r what? Times h. So it means that the total surface area is going to be pi r squared plus pi r squared. That will give you 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r what? H. That's the total surface area because it is closed at both what? End. Now 2 is common, pi is common, r is common. So 2 pi r taken out, r plus h becomes the direct formula we can use to find the total surface area. Let's do substitution. 2 times pi, which is 22/7. The radius has been given as 3. Let's have 3, height 4. So what happened? 2 times 22 will be 44 times 3 divided by 7 times 7. In the bracket will be 3 plus what? 7. So this will be cancelling to give us 1, 1. Then this is just like 11 times 4. So 4 will multiply this to give you 12. 12 times 11 will be giving us 132. So therefore, the total surface area is going to be 132.0 centimeter squared. If we are to leave our answer in 1 decimal place, as the question is leaving, so this becomes the option B for this. So this is the total surface area of this cylinder that have a radius of 3 and a height of 4, all in centimeters. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe.